to the power x plus 27 to the power x upon 12 to the power x plus 18 to the power x equals to 7 upon 6. We have to find the value of x. Let's try. So 8 here we can write it as 2 to the power 3, then whole to the power x, plus 27 as 3 to the power 3, then whole to the power x, upon 12 to the power x we can write 2 to the power 2, that is 4, times 3, then whole to the power x, plus 18 as 3 square times 2, 9 times 2 is 18, then whole to the power x equals to 7 upon 6. Now we know if a to the power m whole to the power n, this is equal to a to the power m times n, and alternatively we can also write it as a to the power n whole to the power m. Also, if a times b whole to the power m, it is equal to a to the power m times b to the power m. So using these two identities, we can write here 2 to the power x whole to the power 3 plus 3 to the power x whole to the power 3, then upon 2 to the power x square times 3 to the power x plus 2 to the power x square times 3 to the power x square times 2 to the power x equals to 7 upon 6. Now let us consider 2 to the power x equals to a and 3 to the power x equals to b. Then we have here a cube plus b cube upon a square b plus b square a equals to 7 upon 6. Now a cube plus b cube we can expand it as a plus b, then times a square minus ab plus b square, and here we can take ab common and write a plus b equals to 7 upon 6. Now this a plus b is the common factor, we can cross them out. Now we have a square minus ab plus b square upon ab equals to 7 upon 6. Now ab is the common denominator, so we can write a square upon ab minus ab upon ab plus b square upon ab equals to 7 upon 6. Now if we cancel this and this, here we have a upon b minus 1 plus b upon a equals to 7 upon 6. We send minus 1 to the right hand side, then we have a upon b plus b upon a equals to 7 upon 6 plus 1, or a upon b plus b upon a equals to, we take 6 as the common denominator, 7 plus 6. Now again let us consider a upon b equals to t. Then we have t plus 1 upon t equals to 13 upon 6, or we take here t as the common denominator, so t square plus 1 equals to 13 upon 6. We cross multiply, so it is 6t square plus 6 equals to 13t, or send 13 to the left hand side, so 6t square minus 13t plus 6 equals to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We can factorize it and find the value of t. So 6t square minus 13t, we can write 9t minus 4t plus 6 equals to 0. Take 3t here common, so t minus 3, 2t minus 3 minus 2 here common, 2t minus 3 equals to 0. Now 2t minus 3 is the common factor, so 2t minus 3, remaining factor is 3t minus 2 equals to 0. Now when a times b equals to 0, then either a equals to 0 or b equals to 0. So we have two solutions here. When 2t minus 3 equals to 0, then 2t equals to 3, or t equals to 3 upon 2. And when 3t minus 2 equals to 0, then 3t equals to 2, or t equals to 2 upon 3. Now when t equals to 3 upon 2 and t be considered as a upon b, so a upon b equals to 3 upon 2, and a be considered as 2 to the power x and b as 3 to the power x. So this will be 2 upon 3 whole to the power x equals to 3 upon 2. Now 3 upon 2 we can also write it as 2 upon 3 whole to the power minus 1. Negative exponent means multiplicative inverse of the base. Now bases are same, so x equals to minus 1. So this is one solution. When t equals to 2 upon 3, so a upon b equals to 2 upon 3, or 2 to the power x upon 3 to the power x equals to 2 upon 3, or 2 upon 3 whole to the power x equals to 2 upon 3. So here power is 1, so x equals to 1. So one answer is x equal to minus 1, and second option is x equal to 1. Let's verify this answer. When x equals to minus 1, so 8 to the power minus 1 plus 27 to the power minus 1 upon 12 to the power minus 1 plus 18 to the power minus 1. We have to check whether it is equal to 7 upon 6. Now this is 8 to the power minus 1, so 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 27, then upon 1 upon 12 plus 1 upon 18. Let's solve this fraction. 8 and 27, common denominator will be 27 times 8, because no, they do not have a common factor. So it is 216, 27 plus 8 upon 12 times 12 and 18, LCD will be 2 times 6 is 12, 2 times 9 is 18, 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 3 is 9. So LCD is 2 times 3 times 2 times 3, so 36, 3 plus 2, so 35 upon 216. This bar means division. 5 upon 36, or 35 upon 216, division gets converted into multiplication, number after that gets inverted, so it is 36 upon 5. 36 times 6 is 216, and 5 times 7 is 35. So LHS equals to RHS. X equals to minus 1 is verified. X equals to 1, let's check. When x equals to 1, then it will be 8 plus 27 upon 12 plus 18. This should be equal to 7 upon 6. It is 35 upon 30. 5 times 7 is 35. 5 times 6 is 30. LHS equals to RHS. Therefore, two solutions of x will be, therefore two values for x will be x equals to minus 1 or x equals to 1. How did you solve it? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.